Trying random restaurant. Chicken salad chick. So first we got the water on the chicken salad chick cup, and that water was cold and crisp. 8.8 out of 10. And this is me and my friend's plate, and this John like Bussin. And first we got the pimento cheese scoop. It was pretty good, but it's a lot of cheese. 7.5 out of 10. And now we got nature's glizzy, and that John was so good. 8.7 out of 10. And the main course, the barbecue chicken sandwich. This John was so good, man. These guys keep it simple, and they keep it really good too. 9.3 out of 10. And then now the chicken tortilla soup. This John was really good too. It doesn't look that crazy, but yeah, it was really good. 8.5 out of 10. And now we got the crackers. The crackers are honestly pretty mid. 6 out of 10. But with the soup, they're a little better. 6.5 out of 10. And then we got the cookie. My friend said that this cookie is famously good, and it honestly is really good. It has a good balance of sweetness. 9.5 out of 10. Overall, this place gets a 9.5 out of 10, and I highly recommend. Follow if you're a candy grape IRL.